Students, the topic is mean in a discrete series. Discrete series that in which variable and their relevant frequencies are given. So we can solve this by three different formulas, like it will be direct method, shortcut method as well as step deviation method. Now we start. Now let's start with the mean in discrete series. Discrete series that in which variable and their relevant frequencies are given. We can solve it by three different formulas, that is a direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. We can start it step by step. For example, for the direct method the formula will be x bar equals to summation fx over summation f. As in previous individual series we dealt with the number of observations, but as in discrete series the variable and their frequencies are given, so we have to sum up the total of summation f or frequencies. Let's do with the question. That is x or variable is given and it will be like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and their frequencies it will be 3, 4, 1, 2 and 5. Firstly, let's make the sum total of summation f equals to 50, and then let's find fx. As we have to find summation fx, so we can do it. Multiply 10 by 3 equals to 30. 20 multiplied by 4 equals to 80, and 30 again 80 and 250. We can make the sum total of this, it is 0. We can make the sum total of this, it is 470. Now put the formula x bar equals to summation fx over summation f equals to 470 divided by 15 equals to, let's divide it, 31.33 is answer. So this is answer. We can solve this like in this way. And now work on the second formula. You must be copy and pen to solve these equations simultaneously with me. And for shortcut the formula will be x bar equals to a plus summation f dx over summation f. This is the shortcut method in which we can take the values from the assumed mean instead of actual mean, as here we got the values through the actual mean, but now by shortcut method we can get the values by assumed mean. So we can work on this question as well. Let's take the same question. I'm just changing the page. I'm taking the same question again. Let's see. X and f or frequencies. The question is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and their frequencies are 3, 4, 1, 2 and 5. And now we have to take Let's take the deviation from the assumed mean, that is dx equals to x minus a, or assumed mean. Let's assume any value, that is you can take any value. I'm taking 30. For example, a is equal to 30. 10 minus 30 minus 20 minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Afterwards, the next step is f dx. Multiply deviation of x with the f. 60 minus 40, again for minus, it's 100 and 100. Then the value will be summation f dx equals to as 120 is of plus and 100 is of minus, so the balance is 20, that is 20 is positive. We must have to get the summation f as well. Again it is 15. So we got the values, and now put this in formula, that is x bar equals to a plus summation f dx over summation f equals to a is assumed mean, that is 30 plus 20 oblique 15 equals to 30 plus 4 oblique 3 equals to 30 plus 1 point, again 3, again 3, that is 31.33, and this will be the answer. So you got the value, or got the answer, 31.33. This is same as in previous direct method, we got the answer 31.33, and in shortcut method as well we got the value 31.33. Simultaneously, let's work on the step deviation method. And what is this? This is x bar equals to a plus summation f dx bar over summation f multiplied by c, or a common factor. Let's take the same question again. Write down the formula properly, and then again I'm taking the same question like it is x and f. This was 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and the frequencies were 3, 4, 1, 2 and 5. Again we are taking summation f as we had already calculated in previous concept. Now for step deviation, this was dx bar equals to x minus a divided by c. Let's take a equals to, I'm again taking 30 as a, and c equals to common factor 10, 20, 30. The common factor is 10. Let's do it. That will be 10 minus 30 divided by 10 equals to minus 20 oblique 10 equals to it is minus 2. Again 20 minus 30 oblique 10 equals to minus 10 oblique 10 equals to minus 1. 30 minus 30 oblique 10 equals to 0 oblique 10 equals to 0. 40 minus 30 oblique 10 equals to 10 oblique 10 equals to 1, and 50 minus 30 oblique 10 equals to 20 oblique 10 equals to 2. So we got dx bar. Now we have to get dx bar as well. For this, multiply the deviation of x. This is the deviation of x. We have to multiply it with the frequencies, that is 6 minus 4, 0, 2 and 10. Then summation f dx bar equals to, again it will be 10 plus 2, 12 or minus 10. Again we got the value 2. Now put the formula in this, and the formula will be x bar equals to a plus summation f dx bar over summation f multiplied by c equals to, let's take the things from the take the values. A is 30, c is 10, so a is 30 plus f dx bar is 2 oblique summation f is 15 multiplied by common factor is 10 equals to 30 plus 20 oblique 15 equals to 30 plus 4 oblique 3 equals to 31 point it is 30 plus 1 point, let's solve this, 1.33, and the answer will be again 31.33. so this is answer. The most important thing is whether we are using direct method or shortcut or step deviation method, answer will remain the same. If it varies, that means you have done something wrong. So try to check your question again afterwards and try to rectify it. If answer is varying, that means your calculations are mismatching and you have done a wrong calculation in that. Try to do it with a proper concentration so that it must be 100% accurate. Thank you very much. This is completed.